Hello, Haripriya. They will be joining. Okay. In the last class, what we have learned, we have learned about parabola, equation, and everything we have found out, no? Acha. See, after this, I'll tell you about different kinds of parabola. Hello, Diva.
हेलो सर।
How are you? कैसे हो? एग्जाम ठीक हुआ तुम्हारा?
सर मैंने रिकॉर्डिंग देख ली थी पिछली
अच्छा,
क्लासेस की सारी।
वेरी वेरी गुड. तो एग्जाम ठीक हुआ ना? अब चल रहे हैं.
यस सर, स्कूल की तो सही चल रहे हैं, एग्जाम इजी ही लग रहे हैं।
स्कूल के तो ठीक ही चलते हैं ना. स्कूल के तो ठीक ही लगेंगे तुम्हें. जेई के अच्छे अच्छे क्वेश्चंस करते रहो, अपना लेवल बढ़ाते रहो, तो तुम कंफर्टेबल फील करोगे. और जो डाउट्स आते हैं वो मुझे सेंड करते रहा करो. अच्छा, so ये था parabola. This was the parabola's equation, and now I'll tell you the situation when the center. See, actually, we have learned the most basic form of parabola, which is y square is equal to 4ax. Actually, there are 4 different kinds of parabola. One type was this one that I have told you. This, let's say, this is type 1. The type 2 is y square is equal to minus 4ax. See, my task is, since you know everything that I've taught in the last class, I will draw the parabola. I'll show you how the parabola is. After that, you will be telling me its different things like focus, what is lattice rectum, what is the equation of lattice rectum, what is the directrix and all. Let me draw it first and just compare also. Earlier I had y square is equal to 4x type parabola, this one. This is the x-axis. This is your x-axis. And this is your y-axis. The difference between this and y square is equal to minus 4ax is your parabola is actually inverted. Okay, symmetrical about x-axis, but it is inverted. This is y square is equal to minus 4ax. This is 0, 0. Its vertex is also 0, 0. Now tell me, Haripriya or Diva, where will be its focus? Haripriya should be able to tell quickly. If you have completed, Diva, if you have saw the video, you'll also be able to tell.
Sir, is it minus a comma 0?
Correct. Easy one only. This is minus a comma 0. What happened to Kanishka? She's not well, I think. Minus a comma 0. This is this one. And what will be the equation of directrix and where it will be? Why is it so difficult? I told you na in the last class the directrix is actually at the equal distance on the opposite side to the vertex as the focus is. The distance of the focus from the vertex is equal to the distance from the vertex to the directrix. It is actually
Then
perpendicular.
it would be a comma 0.
Hmm. Then it will be at a comma 0, and the line will be, it is a line it is a line actually, directrix. So it will be perpendicular to the major axis. This is major axis and this is minor axis. So what will be its equation?
So x equal to a.
X is equal to a. Very good. Acha, now tell me what will be its lattice rectum?
It would be 1. No, that's eccentricity.
Correct. Eccentricity is 1 for all kinds of parabola. What is lattice rectum? See, lattice. Uh,
Minus a comma 0 and length will be 2a.
length will be 4a. It passes through minus a comma 0. You are correct. This point, and length is 4a. That is also correct. This distance is 2a. This distance is also 2a. But what will be its equation? X is equal to minus a. What will be the points A and B where the lattice rectum is cutting the parabola?
Minus a comma 2a and minus a comma minus 2a.
Very good. It's easy, na? I think this is all. We've done everything. Lattice rectum, directrix, focus, vertex. That's only 4 things we want. Mhm. Now let me tell you about different parabolas. Uh, type 2 we have done. Now coming to type 3. Type 3 parabola is x square is equal to 4ay. See, as you can see, y and x are interchanged here. So what happens? X, y, x are changed. So this is actually a parabola which is inverted upwards, means opening upwards like this. Now vertexes, we already know vertexes. This I have told you. Vertex is actually 0, 0, this point. Tell me where its focus is. Now in this case, your y-axis 0, very good. In this case, this y-axis becomes the major axis and x-axis becomes the minor axis. So the thing is, the axis about which our parabola is symmetrical, that is considered to be the major axis. So the focus is actually 0, a. Very good. And what will be the directrix?
0 comma minus.
No.
X is equal. No, y is equal to.
Sorry, sir, I can't join today. Why? Yes, tomorrow. Oh, she is having exam tomorrow. So y is equal to minus a. Very good. And again, lattice rectum will be y is equal to a.
Y is equal.
Tell me the points. See, one thing you can be sure, the length of the lattice rectum, whatever may be the parabola, the length of the lattice rectum will always be 4a.
A minus 2a comma a 2a.
It's easy. Now you are enjoying. I'll give you the questions when it will become tough. Directrix is y is equal to minus a, and lattice rectum is, see, I am representing a lattice rectum as LR. So LR will be, length is 4a. Points, let's say it is a, this is b. A will be minus 2a comma a, and b is 2a comma a. Everything done? Okay. Acha, but see, remember, equation is this. Now type 4 is the inverted one. X square is equal to minus 4ay. Just quickly tell me what should be the directrix, what is the vertex. I'll tell you. Directrix and all, everything. This is 0, 0 is vertex. Focus will be
0 minus 0.
very good. And directrix, I want equation and the point where it will be intersecting my axis.
A y equal to a.
Y is equal to a. Very good. This is 0, 8, it's cutting. Again, the lattice rectum will be the same thing. The length always remains the same. This is 2a, 2a. So the points will be 2a comma minus a, minus 2a comma minus a. A and B. Now I'll tell you the complicated one, complicated parabola. Be ready. See, the thing is, these are 4 different kinds of parabola that you actually come across. And I'll tell you the questions also, whenever you will be solving now. The questions also, they will give you of this general type only. Not much. They just want to know your information. Whenever they want to give question just only on the basis of parabola, only on these basic things, then only they'll try to give you the parabola with different vertex. Usually these kinds of parabolas, on these kinds of parabola only questions are asked, but that the one that I am going to tell you is a general form. The next is the parabola whose vertex is not 0, 0. What we do when the vertex is not 0, 0? Parabola with the vertex alpha comma beta I say. Now see, in this case, and we are taking the case of y square is equal to 4x. The thing that we will do with y square is equal to 4x, the same thing will apply to the other parabolas also. If you want, you can do for the other parabolas at home, just for practice. Now, the first and foremost thing is, whenever you will be framing the equation of parabola with vertex alpha comma beta, it's not y square is equal to 4x. Y square is equal to 4x becomes y minus beta whole square is equal to 4a into x minus alpha. That's the first thing. That's y becomes y minus beta, x becomes x minus alpha. So the parabola of the type y square is equal to 4ax, whose vertex is at alpha comma beta, is this. Remember, first thing first. Now we'll try to plot everything. The shape of the parabola, type of parabola, everything remains same. Earlier, if you remember, the parabola was like this. Okay, with vertex x 0, 0. Now what has happened? Only the vertex has changed to alpha comma beta. This parabola remains the same shape, everything same. So parabola will, it's like you have the parabola, pick up the parabola, keep it there with the vertex at alpha comma beta. It's like that. Now my question in this case is, you understood now? Now my question in this case is, what is the major axis equation in this? What is, first you tell me major axis and minor axis equation. Obviously, see, for your help I can tell you, obviously the major axis will be the one passing through the vertex parallel to the x-axis, like that. And minor axis will be one passing through the vertex parallel to y-axis. Now tell me what's the equation of major axis and minor axis.
Y is equal to alpha and x is equal to beta.
Y is equal to
Alpha.
y is equal to alpha. Now reverse you have told me. Is it correct, Haripriya? Sorry, is it correct, Diva?
So it will be opposite, I think. Y equal to
Hmm.
beta and x alpha.
Yes, see Haripriya, look carefully. This distance is beta, right? And this distance is alpha, correct? So what will be this equation? Reverse. That's why I was trying to hear properly what she said. So this will be y is equal to beta. So the major axis is y is equal to beta, and minor axis is x is equal to alpha. That's okay. Now tell me what will be the coordinates of the focus. Diva will be telling, now that's the kind of parabola, sir, I was talking about. I want these kinds of questions. Yes, Diva.
Yes,
So
sir.
would it be A plus alpha, comma 0?
अच्छा, a plus alpha comma
0, the focus.
अच्छा, is it correct, Diva?
Yes.
Both are wrong. Both are wrong. Can you think why I'm telling you wrong? And that's silly mistake only you are doing. You're saying a plus alpha comma 0. If I draw it now, if I point it, you'll tell me, sir, what kind of mistake we were doing. Still not able to find. See what you are saying, na, you both. You're saying a plus alpha comma 0. You know what? Where the point is? A plus alpha comma 0. Is it the focus? Haripriya? Diva, is it focus?
No, sir.
Then what's the correct one?
So instead of 0, there will be beta.
Correct. Will be beta, na? Haripriya, okay, na? Silly mistake? Haripriya, no, Haripriya is not saying anything. Haripriya is telling, is she thinking in mind what kind of silly mistake I have done? Acha, tell me the directrix. Why it happens only with me? Tell me the equation of directrix then. Think and then tell me.
So would it be
Yes.
alpha minus a comma?
Alpha minus a comma. You're telling me the points, right?
Yes.
Okay. The point is correct. Alpha minus a comma beta, na? Hmm. Now tell me the equation. It's okay. It's confusing. It's not easy.
Sir, x equal to alpha minus a.
Hmm. The equations and all you'll tell easily, but finding out the coordinate distances, sometimes it becomes confusing. X is equal to alpha minus a. This is the equation. So what is the equation of lattice rectum? Again,
X
see.
equal to alpha.
Tell. Say. X is equal to.
A plus alpha.
Very good. Again, what I was saying, whatever may be the parabola, the length of the lattice rectum remains the same. There is no change. Only one thing never changes. That's the length of lattice rectum. So can you tell me the points A and B, the coordinates of points A and B? What happened? Acha, till you do it, I'll find the question. Good question for you to solve. See, one typical thing and you got stuck. Should I tell?
Sir, A would be A
Hmm.
plus alpha comma beta plus 2A.
Correct. A plus alpha comma beta plus 2a. Very good. What will be B?
It would be A plus alpha, comma beta minus 2.
Correct. Okay na? Diva okay na?
Sir, I didn't understand.
You didn't understand? See, I'll tell you. Wait. You know how the coordinates are defined, that you already know. Coordinate we put on the coordinate axis. That's the basic thing is. See, I know you know, but let me tell you again. X1 comma y1 is, this means what? This distance is supposed to be x1 and this distance is supposed to be y1. Okay? Now we want the coordinate of beta. So we want what? We want this distance and again this distance, the yellow color one. Okay na? Okay na, Diva? Now
Yes.
this distance we already know, this is x plus alpha. Sorry, it's a plus alpha. It's all because this coordinate point is given, na? This one. From the origin 0, 0, it should be a plus alpha. This whole distance is beta and this distance is 2a. So what will be this distance? It will be beta minus 2a, na?
Yes, I understand.
You understood, na? See, it's not I know it's not difficult for you, but why it becomes difficult or confusing? Because you have to find out the distances. Sometimes it becomes confusing because you're not able to identify the distances, that's all. The same thing if you do at home, you will be able to do properly. Now this is the equations and all, or everything, directrix you have found, latus rectum also equation and all everything you have found. This is how we actually find out the various things for the parabola, for different, with the vertex different. When the vertex is different, we solve parabolas like this. Okay, should I give you a good one? Question, good question. See, I selected. See whether you can do it or not. See, this is not easy, but try to do it if you can generate the concept. Mirror image of directrix of the parabola in the line. In the mirror line, the equation of mirror is given to you. So first, for this particular parabola, you have to find out the directrix. After you find out the directrix, you have to take the image of that particular directrix with respect to x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. I am sure you will get stuck. If you are able to do, very good. Acha, just try to study this. And first, you tell me if any one of you, since I have told you how to find out the directrix, plot the parabola. Try to find out the directrix first. Just tell me the equation of directrix first. That I want to know, first one, because that should be correct. If there is an error in that, everything goes wrong. So if you want to see the parabola that I have drawn above one, you can. Remember, first I want the equation of the directrix, whose mirror image we need to find.
So is it x plus 2 is equal to 0?
Very good. Directrix is correct. See, the vertex, I'll plot it for you. You keep on solving the question. Minus 1 comma 0 is the vertex. Y square is equal to 4x type. So our parabola is going to be like this. And as you said, the directrix is x is equal to minus 2. You have to take the mirror image of this with respect to line x plus 2 is 3. When y x is equal to 0, y will be plus or minus 2. The point will be 3 by 2, na? 2, 1.5. Yes. Okay. So our line is this. You have to take the mirror image of this with respect to this. How? Acha, here you will get stuck. Are you able to find out the concept that you will be applying to get the mirror image? Haripriya? Diva? Parabola where it cuts is 0, 2 and 0, minus 2. Isn't it difficult to find the mirror image? Or you have some idea? Acha, I have not video. Everyone is silent. Just for your help, I have plotted it, but it's not necessary that you plot it. Without plotting also, you can solve the question. That's not a problem.
So how do we know that the vertex is minus 1 comma 0?
You have to compare it now. Because when the equation of parabola is this one, y minus beta whole square is equal to 4a into x minus alpha, the vertex is alpha comma beta. Correct? Now the given equation for us is y square is equal to 4 into x plus 1. So what I will do is, this is y minus 0 whole square is equal to 4 into 1 x minus of minus 1. Compare it with that. So the value of beta will be 0. A you are getting as 1 and alpha you are getting as -1. So the vertex alpha comma beta has become -1, 0. Just compare it with the general
How
form.
do you find the mirror image?
That's the point. See, to find out the mirror image, what you will do, assume any random point on the vertex. Any random point. I have taken it to be it will be -2 comma lambda. I can take now because x is equal to -2. Y can be anything, any random point. So what my idea is, I will try to find out the mirror image of this point, particular point P, with respect to this particular line x plus 2y is equal to 3. This will be something Q. Then I will find out the locus of this point Q. That should be the mirror image. Because what is curve? Curve is the locus of a point, or line is the locus of the point. So you can find out the mirror image of point P now with respect to line. That formula you know. You will get Q in terms of lambda. Now assume the alpha. Find out the locus. Assume x coordinate as x, y coordinate as y, and remove lambda. Do you want me to solve it?
Yes.
Okay, just watch carefully. The line is x plus 2y is equal to 3. The point P is -2 comma lambda. Any random point I have taken on the directrix. Mirror image formula I have x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b is equal to minus of 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Do you remember this formula? Mirror image formula.
Yes.
Deflection formula I have told you. One for foot of perpendicular also have given, one for this one also. This is with respect to line ax plus by plus c. Now our point x1 is -2. What is our line? This is 1. Y minus lambda by 2, minus of 2 into -2 plus 2 lambda minus 3 divided by 1 square plus 2 square. You'll get the value of x and y. How? X plus 2 by 1 is equal to y minus lambda upon 2 is equal to, what is this? 2 lambda minus 5. So 10 minus 4 lambda by 5. So x you will get is 2 minus 4 lambda by 5 minus 2. So x will be minus 4 lambda by 5. What will be y? Y minus lambda by 2 is equal to 2 minus 4 lambda by 5. So y will be equal to 2 minus 4 lambda by 5 plus lambda by 2. Simplify it. Minus 3 lambda by 10. Okay, this is x and y. Now to find out the locus, you have found out the coordinate of point Q here. Now to find out, this is the coordinate of point Q. Minus 4 lambda by 5, comma 2 minus 3 lambda by 10. Now to find, now the line which we required is the locus of the point Q. So how we'll get the locus? Equate it with x, equate it with y, remove lambda. So minus 4 lambda by 5 is equal to x. So lambda will be minus 5x by 4. And y is equal to 2 minus 3 lambda by 10. Just put the value of lambda here. 2 minus 3 by 10 into minus 5x by 4. 2 minus cancel, plus 5 2s are 10. 2 plus 3x by 8. So 8y minus, sorry, I'll write it here. Bring to the right side. 3x minus 8y plus 16 is equal to 0. This is our equation. Let's check whether the equation is there or not. What is this? Where is the equation? Why am I getting wrong answer? Something wrong I have done or what? अरे यार, see, silly mistake I have done. This is y by 2 is there na, y by 2. So it will be 4 minus 3 lambda by 5. Calculation mistake. See, one silly mistake. That's why you have to keep cool. That's why in examination hall actually we say keep cool. 4 plus 3x by 4. So 16 plus 3x minus 4y equal to 0. So 3x minus 4y plus 16 is equal to 0. This should be there. 4y plus 16. B option. Did you understand?
Let me scroll up 1 minute.
More up.
So could you show that?
So can you tell me once again why we took P,
Why we took
the P point?
P? See, actually, it's very difficult to find out the mirror image of the line. So what we do, we actually assume the point P. Achha, how I have taken P, that you are asking?
Yes, sir, and reason also.
Reason, see, actually what my idea was, I will assume some point P on the line, on the directrix, and take its mirror image. After I have taken its mirror image, that is Q, I will try to find out the locus of Q. What is locus of Q? Locus of Q means the Q is moving. Locus of Q means, locus of a point means how the point moves so that it will draw a curve. In this case, the Q has to move so that it will draw a line. So I will find out, my idea is to get the equation of line, just find out the locus of Q. Okay. To find out the locus of Q, I have to find out the point Q, na? For first. Yes.
Yes, sir.
What I have done, I have assumed the point P. Why I have taken point P as such? Because point P is lying on the directrix. And on the directrix, the equation of directrix is x is equal to -2. So whatever happens, whatever may be the point on the directrix, its x coordinate is always equal to be -2. Yes. So that's why the point P is -2, some random point that I don't know. Lambda is some random constant I have taken, because lambda can be anything because it's lying on the line. But one thing is for sure, x coordinate on the directrix will be always -2. Clear?
Yes.
Now what I have done, I have tried to find out the mirror image of the point P using this formula. Found out the mirror image. After finding out the mirror image, just try to find out the locus. The technique of finding out the locus of a point is, you have to remove the unknown variable. You know now how to find out the locus? I think I've told you in the straight lines. We have to find out the locus, we have to remove the unknown variable. Unknown variable is lambda here. Assume x coordinate as x, y coordinate as y, remove the unknown variable, you get the locus. That's the general technique to find out the locus of a point. That's what I have done. Took it as x and y, remove the lambda. I'll give you similar kind of question. Try to solve this at home. You okay now? Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Question was good now?
Yes, this was a good question. Like a lot of concepts they make.
From now on, I'll give you good questions only. Because you have spent time, by now you must be comfortable. So it's time gradually I should start giving you more good quality questions. Trickier one. How did you feel, Haripriya? This was okay, na? Take it as homework.
It was a good.
Take it as homework. This question you can take as homework. Try to do at home. It will involve some thinking, but you will be able to do ultimately. If still you get stuck while solving it, ask me the doubt. Later, after the chapter is over, I'll send you these kinds of questions to you for practice. Okay, let's end it then.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Bye bye.